Yes.
Here's one last thing that mommy said. She also said that you've done nothing for us. And that is a lie. I know that's a lie.
Olashile, may the Lord bless you. Olashile, God will bless you for what you just said now. Olashile, the wisdom that God has given you, you will not lose it in Jesus' name. Olashile, you are my son. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. I am proud. She said to you that I have not done anything for you. Can you imagine how?
And that is a literal lie. You've been with me since the day I was born.
Olashile, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something you don't know. You see, no matter how things go for us or things are difficult, before you guys were born, I always make sure that there is provision for everything you guys will need, including food, including clothes, including diaper, prems. I mean everything. Olashile, your mother is a manipulator. She's lying. She's lying. Imagine. I mean, imagine if you didn't know all of these things. Imagine if you don't know all of these things. She was going to get away with them, saying, I have not done anything for you guys. Imagine. Imagine. Do you know how much? Do you know how much one of your toys cost? Those your cars, the cars you guys have down there.
It's like 10,000 rand, I think.
Olashile, your toys, your particular one is 10,000. Ire one is 7,000 rand. 7,000 rand. Ire's toy, and I'm sure that same toy, Lily also is playing with that toy. I'm sure she is playing. She broke it. You see? Do you see what I'm saying now? She even broke the toy I bought for my own children to play with. Do you see? Your mother will not see all of those. She will only want to tarnish my image because she wants people to hate me. She wants people to see me as a bad person. Imagine the big lies that she's telling, that I've not done anything for you guys. Imagine. Countless times I buy groceries. Countless times. Don't I buy you clothes? Don't I do shopping for you?
You do.
Don't I buy you guys shoes? Don't I buy you guys gifts?
Yes, you do.
So why is she lying that I've not done anything for you guys? Why would I not? In 7 years of my life, being with you guys, she's saying I've not done anything. Everything in that house, I bought them. Including the bed she's sleeping on. I bought them, Olashile. Including some of her clothes. Her shoes. I bought them for her. All the properties your mother have, I bought them. When I came back from Nigeria, you saw all the gifts I bought for your mother. Now
yeah,
I'm listening.
It was like 10 gifts you got for mommy.
Your mother said I've never done anything for you guys. Imagine what she's saying. Had it been you don't know, or you also want to fall into the manipulation, you will also agree. But I thank God that things don't go that way. You know the truth.
And Daddy, yesterday I forgot to study for the test, so I actually asked God if he could help me with the test, and I passed.
Wow.
I forgot to pray for him to help me with the maths, but I prayed for him to help me with the English and Afrikaans, and I passed.
You see what I told you? God will always come to your aid. That's the only thing I know. God will provide. He will always come to your aid. When you call for help, nations will rise up for your sake. I told you, always pray. Don't forget to pray. There is no day I still don't pray for you, Olashile. You are in my prayers every day. You are in my prayers. You and your siblings. You are in my prayers. I have not stopped praying. I still pray every day of my life. And I'm still going to keep doing that for as long as I breathe. Nothing is ever going to change. Oh, Olashile, I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of the men that you are growing up to become. I am proud of you. Always remember, Daddy is proud of you, Olashile.
I'm Daddy.
Yes.
I actually know how to swim by myself now.
Wow, I am so proud of you. I am proud of you.
And I'm not detention.
Wow.
But Lily's actually going to detention.
Wow. And one more thing. The other day I called, Ire told me you were at the park. Olashile, you don't need that type of life. You don't need too much freedom because you're going to get lost. Remember, a son without his father
Does not have good morals.
he would never have good morals in life. So that is exactly what is happening now. Because I heard you started going to the park all by yourself. Then you're going to start meeting bad friends. Then you're going to start doing bad things. Remember, that is not how I raised you. Always remember, Olashile. Even though I'm not there, it doesn't mean you should forget the son of who you are.
Daddy, I actually went with Auntie and Lily and Enrique, so I didn't go by myself.
Okay. Please don't ever go.
I ole ex-husband ya Dr. Celiwe at really a red flag nkosi yamavakula lo body. So lo body urekhode la khuluma khona nemntwana akhe efonini whereby he was asking the child ukuthi anginendeli mina into anginithengeli lutho anginisapoti cause makwena ukhuluma amanga ngami uthi mina ngikaze nganendela lutho. Yo guys, and people were like, hey, but why are you dragging the child into this thing? Because there's no need for you to call umntwana umtshele ngetindzaba letinjalo. Yekela abantwana phuma nje ebantwaneni. So now he's trying to gather his name because uyabona ukuthi people are dragging him, people are making him inhlekisa. So uzama ukuthi defender, but why afake bantwana? Uthi asimzo lapha ku TikTok, why are kids being involved? Stop it, man. Uthi amile narcissistic people always call people that are supporting their side. Let the court do its job. Uthi sibheqe ngoyena what kids nokuvele uthi kahlahle vele batini abantwana. Uthi lelo yo narcissist, why is he telling the child? Nkosi yami, I'm also shocked ukuthi why manje ngalo sekufaka abantwana. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.